I'm going to show you some East Coast weather, winter 2012. Just going to walk outside. Hope you guys enjoy. Watch the Czar's Right channel. Thank you. This is the northeast. A couple of days to New Year's. A couple of snowstorms going on. It is a lot of snow. Some cars. Not sure if they want to drive out in this, but I think they might. This is awesome. Massachusetts weather. Look at that. Should snow more tonight. Maybe I'll film some more, show you some more about tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed. Czar's Right channel. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.